I'm Forrest Fisher of Simply Piano, Tuning, Repair, and Events, and I'd like to welcome you to episode number 2 of Tuning Tuesday. Now, today I'm going to talk just a little bit about why you can't tune everything beatless. So if I take an interval here, so there's pretty much no beating. So now the beating is kind of think of it like wah, 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 that kind of thing. And let me pick a note down here. Actually, I'll give you an example. Jump into the right string here. I don't break anything. Wah, 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 wah. Y'all hear that? You can probably hear it on that interval too, this fourth here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wah, wah. That would be the second rate. If we did all the notes, where the intervals would be beatless, we'd get something like this. Not very pleasant sounding, is it? That's why we tune all our intervals with some beats in it. That way the piano sounds a lot more pleasing to our ear. One way to kind of think about it is that all the notes are kind of equally out of tune with each other, but because of the different sound partials and everything that we have, it makes it work. And I'll go to more in that in detail in another video. So next week we are going to talk about just setting A, and although we may do the whole temperament, and we may talk about temperaments and everything. And I hope you're enjoying the series so far. Stay tuned for next week. If you did enjoy this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. I'm looking at launching a playing series where I just play different pieces on a different day every week. But yeah, please comment below. Let me know what you think, and comment your suggestions as well. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.